What is array? Array is a special variable that can store multiple values in one place. Let me give you an example. Imagine that we have three fruits name, and we store these three fruits name into three variables. We store three fruits in three variables. But what is our fruits name more than three? Maybe 300. What should we do? In this position, we have to work with array. Array can store multiple values, multiple data types in one single variable. Let's work with it. I want to make an array. You can make an array like this. First of all, you have to write the type of that. After that, you have to write the array name. For example, my array name fruits. After that, equal and brackets. This is called array, and inside the bracket, you can put your elements. For example, my first element was apple. The second was banana. The third was mango. And I want to add more than three. And the fourth one is watermelon. I hope this is correct. And another thing is orange. This array, this is my array name. These my array elements. Every element inside the array has index. The first element starts with 0 index. The second element inside the array starts with 1 index. The third starts with 2 index, like this. If you want to call an element inside the array, you can call it with its index. For example, console.log. I want to call banana. The index of banana is 1. You can call it like this. First, you have to write the array name, brackets. Inside the brackets, you have to put the index of that element. For example, when I want to call banana, I have to write the 1 index. Now let's see. It shows banana. If I called watermelon, the watermelon index is 3. Let's write 3 here and see it. Yes, it shows watermelon. If you want to add an element inside of your array, you can add it like this. First, you have to write your array name, fruits. After that, you have to write dot push. And inside push, you can write your new element. For example, another fruit is, for example, I don't know the name of the fruits. For example, I want to write the ABC. Now let's call this by its index. If I write 5 here, it shows the ABC fruits. If I write 6 here, what will happen? It shows indefinite because nothing exists here. If you want to change an array element, for example, I want to change apple into something else. You can change it like this. First of all, you have to write array name, fruits. After that, you have to write brackets. Inside the brackets, you have to write the index of that element that you want to change it. For example, I want to change apple. I want to write 0. After that, equal, and I want to change apple into integer number. For example, 10. Now let's see. I want to invoke the first element inside of my array. Yes, it shows 10. Now let's know how we can see all the elements of an array. You can see it by while loop, for each, like this. I wanna work with for loop. First of all, you have to write a variable and declare it. After that, I less than my array length. After that, I plus plus. And now let's call console.log. Inside of this, fruits. Inside the brackets, I want to write I. Now let's see. It lists all the elements of my array. If you want to sort these elements, you can sort it like this. First of all, you have to write the array name dot sort. And now let's see. Yes, it's sorted now. Apple, banana, mango, orange, watermelon.
Why I can't see ABC at the output? Tell me at the comment section.